So FIA seat covers are the best soft touch simulated seat cover for your pickup truck or SUV on the market. They're a custom fit for your vehicle, which means they're not going to have any weird fitment issues inside of it. Vehicle specific and is available for the front and rear options. They install with no tools. Upgrade your interior with FIA's leather Lite seat covers. They're padded for comfort and water repellent. They also feature a UV design, which means they're going to look great for years to come. Now, FIA's leather Lite seat covers are available in 4 different color options, are a custom fit for each year and model for pickup, truck, or SUV. Choose from the front and rear seats, and it even includes the headrest. So your whole interior is going to have a complete transformation. Upgrade your interior with FIA's leather Lite seat covers. Okay, everyone, thanks for tuning in. That is all we have for today. Again, FIA leather Lite seat covers for your complete vehicle transformation.